Look how bright it is. It's Monday morning. It's like 5:30 in the morning. And remember, if you go back a few weeks, it was like dark at this time. And other than those sirens, listen how quiet it is. This is an international airport. Holy crap, it's quiet. No airplanes. Whoa, what a fun morning of flying that was. I got 5 legs in, but my compatriot, my partner, one of the other guys I work with, he had to do 6 legs today, which is kind of the norm when it's busy, so we're busy. That's a good thing. Things are moving. The supply chain is open. The supply line is open. But man, it's windy out. I mean, it's not windy right down here, but it's like windy up there and bumpy. The hills are like making all kinds of interesting flying conditions. That's why you wear a seatbelt. It's pretty good. I don't know. That's a pretty good view to me. But here, I gotta show you this. I just finished my lunch, and there's the apple that Sue managed to find. Look at the size of this thing. I think everybody knows in relation and for reference how big a yogurt container is. This thing is huge. It's like the size of my head. And it's not one of those crisp, what the heck was that called? Crisp, Cosmic Crisp, $4 apple. Same size as that $4 apple was. I don't even know what it's called, but let's try it. Oh, that's pretty good. I mean, it's an apple. Just like an apple. All right, so heading out of the hotel. Why? Back to work. It's actually the last time I'm staying in this hotel. Be somewhere else next time I'm in Nanaimo. Thank you very much. Yeah, we'll see you later. Bye. Good job. Best Western Dorchester in Nanaimo. For the win. Trading in my empty coffee cup for a new coffee cup. It's the obligatory coffee stop at the Gas and Go. I always got room for Doritos.
Thank you. You too.
Can I get a cup of coffee as well?
Sorry?
Coffee as well?
All right.
Perfect.
Have a good day.
Thanks, you too. Coffee. Hey, did you know that today is International Pilots Day? I know, right? I'm a pilot. I didn't make it up, but it's probably not even a real thing. But, you know, that's what I heard. So there you go. You're welcome. Alrighty, so we're all done work, headed home. I have no idea what Sue has in store for us. We'll see. Onward home. We have a dog in our house.
Get out.
Yeah.
Dog is in.
And we have mail here for Allie. Here, Allie. Oh, you want me to open it?
Yeah. You're fine.
Oh, it's another one of your books. What?
Oh.
You read autobiographies about Ted
I
Templeman?
know, he's my favorite.
Today's International Pilot Day. Did you know this?
Is it really?
It is.
Happy International Pilot Day.
Yeah. I'm like the only pilot I know working. So the rest are not even on the beach. They're just at home. building stuff. Anyway, thanks. What an exciting day. Hello, Hunter. Hello. Oof. Did I trip over the dog? And our food solution has presented itself. Thank you, Glenn.
Oh, you're welcome.